The more languages you learn, the more ways you learn to be human.
We know that one of the biggest issues when trying to learn a language is the fact that you just don't have many opportunities to practice what you're learning in the classroom. Here at Maximo, we change all of that. We give you an opportunity to not only practice your Spanish in your classroom, in our institute, but we also provide you with a wealth of opportunities to practice it in other settings, like in the community or with your host family.
There are just so many people in the world that speak Spanish, and there are so many countries in the world that people speak Spanish in, and I think by learning Spanish, you just open up so many opportunities for yourself. You get to see so much more of the world so much more authentically, because you can stumble to these countries as an English-speaking tourist, but it's a lot more authentic if you get to immerse yourself and get to be a part of these things more naturally.
Spanish is a beautiful language. I want to be a politician as I get older, and I feel like communicating with people with different backgrounds than me is very important. So I'm trying to learn the right way, immersing myself in culture.
Spanish is very useful. It's the second most used language in the US where I'm from. A lot of my friends' families speak Spanish, and a lot of places I go have a lot of Spanish speakers, and I think it'd be pretty interesting to know how to speak it. And for my internship, I had to learn Spanish as well.
Whether you're a beginner or you've been learning Spanish for years, Maximo has great options for you. We have new classes, private classes, group classes that start every Monday, every week of the year. Our methodology is highly communicative. We focus on not only giving you the grammar and the vocabulary that you need to speak, but also giving you ample opportunity to do so inside the classroom. Unlike traditional learning environments where the teacher talks and the students listen, our teachers take on a different role. Our teachers help you discover the language and guide you, building on what you already know or have learned in class. Whether working in groups or pairs with other classmates, playing games, or having discussions, we place an emphasis on getting our students speaking as much as possible. In addition to learning conversational Spanish, we also offer specific content courses. If you're a nurse or a doctor and you want to learn medical Spanish, we have that. If you want to learn more about business Spanish so you can communicate with clients around the world, we offer that too.
We first chose to study here because we really liked the volunteer programs and wanted to be doing something really worthwhile and important and valuable after we retired from work. And then we thought it would be a good place to learn Spanish along with that.
Living in Costa Rica has been super fun. We've been able to live with a family, and we get 2 meals a day. We talk to them in Spanish. We learn about their family. We learn about their culture. We get to just stay in a Costa Rican house.
I like to travel, I like to be places. If you're going to be somewhere more than a few days, you should make the effort to learn some phrases in the language. So I think it's a polite thing to do when you're in someone else's home.
In addition to being a great place to vacation, your time here in Costa Rica can also contribute to your academic success. We offer a wide variety of university credit courses, from Spanish 101 all the way to upper level literature and culture courses. If you're looking to enhance your academic profile, your credits earned through Maximo can be transcribed through our School of Record and then transferred to any university in the United States or abroad.
Learning salsa has been really fun, and the cooking classes are such a great opportunity to build community here at Maximo, because so many people attend them and you just get to talk and cook. And I've loved the tandem program. That's been my favorite opportunity to practice Spanish outside of the classroom, because I found it's a lot easier to kind of stumble along with some new words with someone who's also learning English, because there's a bit of forgiveness on both ends there, as well as just making friends that are living here in San Jose and can give you advice on the area and what to do.
I wanted a new adventure in a country that I'd never been in. And I just thought studying abroad would be the best thing, and especially in Costa Rica.
You get out of it what you put into it, and If you want to learn a new language, you want to immerse yourself in another culture, Maximo Nivel is a wonderful program for people who have never traveled before, for people who have traveled all over the world. There's so much opportunity within Maximo Nivel to cook and dance and speak and meet new people. And I would definitely recommend Maximo Nivel.